Everyone keeps asking me this more than anything. Mario, what AI tools do you actually use every day? People expect me to say ChatGPT, maybe Claude, but the real answer is way more interesting than that. I've been deep in this world for a while, tested dozens of tools, paid for stuff that wasn't worth it, and landed on a stack that genuinely saves me hours every single day. So today, I'm pulling back the curtain. 5 AI tools I actually use every day and why. I'm Mario, this is AI by Mario. Let's get into it. Number 1 is Perplexity. Think of it as Google, but instead of giving you 10 links to click through, it reads all those pages for you and gives you a direct answer with sources. I use this for research every single day. Before every video I made, I'm in Perplexity. Before I learn something new, Perplexity. The big difference from ChatGPT, Perplexity is pulling real current information from the web right now. ChatGPT has a knowledge cutoff. Perplexity doesn't. Something happened last week. Perplexity knows. ChatGPT might not. Free plan covers most of what you need. Pro is $20 a month. Number 2, Wispr Flow. This one blew my mind. It's voice typing, but actually good. Accurate, understands context, cleans up your speech automatically. Filler words, hesitations, just gone. Here's the stat. Average person types 40 words per minute. Average person speaks 130 words per minute. That's more than 3 times faster. So instead of typing messages, emails, notes, scripts, I just talk. Wispr Flow handles the rest. Works everywhere on my computer. It also has snippets, shortcuts that expand into full phrases. I type 2 letters, it writes a full sentence. I use all the time. Free trial for 2 weeks, then about $12 a month, worth every cent. Number 3, Claude. I use ChatGPT too, but Claude is the one I reach for when I need to actually think. Here's how I would put it. ChatGPT is fast, gives you an answer immediately. Claude takes a breath, considers the question. What comes out feels more thoughtful. For writing, Claude is unmatched in my experience. It doesn't write like a robot, it writes like a person. Scripts, ideas, feedback on my thinking. Claude. It also remembers massive amounts of context. Paste in a whole document, a whole article, pages of notes. It holds all of it while you have a conversation about it. Incredibly useful. And Cloud Code is built right in. Describe what you want to build in plain English, it builds it. No coding skills needed. Free plan is solid. Pro is $20 a month. Number 4, ChatGPT and Gemini. Grouping this together. ChatGPT is my go-to for quick stuff. Fast answer, quick brainstorming, short summary. Caption, done. For speed, nothing beats it. Gemini, I use it when I'm in the Google world. It connects to my Gmail, my Docs, my Drive. If I want to ask something about what happened in my emails, Gemini is the one that can see it. The others can't. My lanes, Claude for deep thinking, Perplexity for research, ChatGPT for quick tasks, Gemini for Google stuff. Number 5, and this is the one people always react to, openclaw. Openclaw is a free open source AI agent that runs on your computer. And unlike everything else on this list, it doesn't just answer you. It actually does things. You message it from WhatsApp or Telegram like texting a person, and it browses the web, manages your files, runs tasks on your computer, sends emails, checks you in for flights, all while you're doing something else. It even has a heartbeat, meaning it can wake itself up, notice something, and reach out to you. You set it up to monitor your inbox. It spots an urgent email while you're sleeping. It texts you, hey, you need to look at this. That's not a chatbot. That's a digital assistant. It went from 9,000 to over 33 to It went from 9,000 to over 300,000 GitHub stars in weeks. People are calling it the closest thing to a real personal AI assistant. It's more technical to set up than the others, full honesty. But if you want to go deep on AI agents, this is the one to know. Completely free and open source. Quick bonus, 2 tools for people who build things. Cursor, AI code editor. Describe what you want, it writes the code. And Google just dropped Antigravity, their version of Cursor, but with multiple AI agents building and testing at the same time. Free, launched literally days ago, full video coming soon. So that's my actual daily stack. Perplexity for research, Wispr Flow for voice typing, Claude for deep thinking and building, ChatGPT and Gemini for quick stuff, openclaw for running things on its own in the background. Most of it is completely free. All of it saves me hours. Drop a comment. What's the one AI tool you use every day that most people don't know about? I read every single comment and let's build a list together. Share this with someone who could use a better AI stack. Subscribe for more AI in plain English every single day. See you in the next one.